The spiral is one of the most ancient and profound symbols in human history. It's found everywhere, from the galaxies above us to the tiniest patterns in nature. We see it in the unfurling of a fern, or the deep time whirl of an ammonite, or the sacred patterns of labyrinths in religion and mythology. But it's much more than just a shape. The spiral is a symbol of growth, of transformation, of the unfolding of self. So this June, I want to invite you to a new 3-week online course about this special archetypal symbol that I've written for Young Academy, and we'll be running it on Sundays. And in this, we're going to be looking at this symbol through the lenses of Jungian psychology, art, alchemy, and mythology. And I'll be curating a wide breadth of fantastic spiral imagery in sacred symbols, architecture, contemporary art, and cycles of renewal. And in our final session, I'll be joined by two really incredible guests: Dr. Amy Hale, who is an expert in esoteric art and mysticism, and curator and artist Simon Moretti. So if you're a creative mind, if you're interested in Jungian thought or transformation and symbolism, I'd really encourage you to join us. It would be lovely to have you.